In Path of Exile 2, some players encountered the error fail to connect to instance when trying to load into maps, towns, or specific areas. This issue interrupts gameplay and can be easily frustrating during the progression or co-op sessions. The error is usually related to network instability, server-side issues, incorrect game settings, or problems with the player's connection. So here's how you can fix the Path of Exile to fail to connect to instance problem on your PC. Open the search bar and run command prompt as an administrative first. Enter the codes provided in the screen. These codes will reset your internet connection. Then after, restart your computer to complete the reset. After restarting, check if the problem is resolved, and if the issue persists, try the alternative solution shared on Reddit. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.